Eliminate repetitive guesswork when you triage and prioritize cases. Einstein Case Classification and Einstein Case Routing help you get cases to the right agents at the right time. Using machine learning, Einstein Case Classification recommends, selects, or saves field values on incoming cases based on your closed case data. You choose which case fields Einstein predicts, and you set a prediction confidence threshold for Einstein to meet to select the best field value, or save it. After Einstein classifies a case by automatically saving a field update, Einstein Case Routing can triage the case to the right agent. Einstein uses your existing routing logic to determine which agent has the skills or credentials to solve a particular case. Less manual triage of incoming cases means more time to assist your customers. Einstein Case Classification and Einstein Case Routing work together to streamline your case cycle and quicken your company's response time. To learn more, check out these resources, or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.